If you're struggling with uneven cuts, wasted materials, or spending hours on simple projects, you're missing tools that do the hard work for you. I tested 19 workshop innovations most craftsmen don't know exist, and the results are mind-blowing, especially the $20 tool that replaced my $300 equipment. From precision guides to safety lifesavers, these game changers will transform your workshop. Stick around because number 14 is absolute gold. Festool for $191,590 for quick clamp FSHZ 160, starting with a premium powerhouse. The Festool Quick Clamp FSHZ 160 is what separates amateur cuts from professional results. This rapid lock system keeps your guide rails perfectly stable during cuts, eliminating that frustrating material shift that ruins expensive boards. The metal construction handles serious abuse, and the quick-release mechanism secures materials in seconds. Over 12,000 pros trust this for precision work, and it pays for itself the first time you avoid wasting a premium board. Limited stock on these right now. Kreg KFS Puck Multi-Purpose Project Blocks. These Kreg Project Pucks are deceptively simple but absolutely genius. They elevate your workpiece off surfaces, making painting and finishing effortless. No more wet projects sticking to your bench. The non-slip base keeps everything stable, and they stack for compact storage. What's incredible is the versatility: assembly work, drying finishes, even sanding projects. Thousands of woodworkers call these their most used shop accessory. At this price, you're getting professional workflow improvement for less than lunch, and they'll last forever. Kreg R3 Pocket Hole System. The Kreg R3 turns complete beginners into furniture builders overnight. This pocket hole jig creates perfectly angled screw holes that form joints stronger than traditional methods without complex skills. Adjustable drilling positions and durable steel guides make every connection rock solid. The complete kit includes everything you need to start building immediately. Over 50,000 dyers built their first professional-looking furniture with this exact system. If you've been intimidated by joinery, this is your confidence breakthrough tool. Stock moves fast on these. Tino 80OW Handheld Router Plus 15-piece bit set. Here's where budget meets miracle. The Tino 800W router with 15 bits delivers results that shock even experienced woodworkers. The 800-watt motor handles edge trimming, profiling, and carving like tools triple the price. What makes this unbeatable is the complete bit collection included: round over, chamfer, straight cuts, you name it. Ergonomic base and dust protection keep work clean and controlled. Verified buyers report professional quality results on their first use. If you're waiting to afford expensive routers, stop. This gets you creating today. Incredible value that won't last. Pukamum 20-piece flap wheel set. Rust, old paint, and rough surfaces meet their match with this Pukamum flap wheel set. 20 different diameters mean you're prepared for any sanding challenge. Tight spaces, broad surfaces, everything between. The aluminum oxide abrasive cuts fast, while the 1/4-inch shafts fit any standard drill. What's remarkable is how quickly these transform neglected pieces into smooth, paint-ready surfaces. Metal restoration, wood refinishing, even automotive work. One affordable set handles it all. Users report these outlast cheaper alternatives by months. For surface prep versatility, nothing beats this value. Milescraft 3000 for 100 for push stick safety tool. This Milescraft push stick literally saves fingers. And I'm not exaggerating. The offset push mechanism keeps your hand safely away from saw blades, while the non-slip base maintains total control over workpieces. Bright yellow safety color ensures you never misplace it when you need it most. Thousands of woodworkers credit this exact tool with preventing serious injuries during critical cuts. The ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue during repetitive work. At this price, there's zero excuse not to protect yourself. Workshop accidents happen in split seconds. This small investment prevents life-changing injuries. Universal 0 to 12 steel caliper. Precision measuring separates failed projects from masterpieces. And this steel caliper delivers accuracy you can trust. The 0 to 12-inch range handles most workshop measurements, while the hardened steel construction withstands daily abuse. Clear markings ensure you're reading dimensions correctly every single time, eliminating costly cutting mistakes. Modelers, woodworkers, and mechanics depend on calipers for tolerances that tape measures simply cannot achieve. Verified users report this, matching expensive digital models for accuracy. Every measurement error costs time and materials. Invest in precision now and stop redoing work. Milescraft 1330 to joint mate self-centering dowel jig. Perfect alignment just became effortless with the JointMate self-centering mechanism. This dowel jig automatically finds center on any workpiece. Width, eliminating math and measurement errors that create weak joints. Multiple bushing sizes accommodate different dowel diameters, while the quick clamp system secures to materials instantly. What's game-changing is the repeatability. Every hole perfectly aligned with its mate every single time. Furniture makers report cutting assembly time by half while improving joint strength. Wobbly connections and alignment headaches end here. Limited availability on these precision tools right now. Going Make Dowel Jig Set with Quick Positive Stop. This complete Going Make set handles 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2-inch dowels with surgical precision. The Quick Stop mechanism ensures consistent hole depth across dozens of drilling operations critical for furniture that actually stays together. Adjustable edge limiters work on various material thicknesses, while the rapid clamp system saves massive time on repetitive drilling. Production woodworkers love how this accelerates batch work without sacrificing accuracy. Over 8,000 verified purchases confirm this eliminates rework from misaligned holes. One comprehensive set, endless perfectly aligned joints. These sell out regularly. Milescraft 8000 for 108 center fender tool. Finding exact center used to require calculations and multiple measurements the center fender does it instantly. The fine-tuned offset markings work on round, square, or irregular shapes while the magnetic backing holds it steady during marking. Built-in pencil holder means you're marking the moment you find center. What makes this invaluable is consistency perfects center marks every single time, eliminating symmetry errors that ruin aesthetic projects. Thousands of craftsmen use this daily for everything from lathe work to decorative inlays. Small investment, massive accuracy improvement. Grab this before the next price increase hits. Bora PM1050 Portable Machine Mobile Base. Heavy workshop machines just became effortlessly mobile with the Bora PM1050. This adjustable platform handles table saws, planers, jointers, basically any stationary tool eating up precious floor space. Locking casters keep machines rock solid during operation, then release for instant repositioning. High-capacity steel construction supports serious weight, while the adjustable frame fits various machine footprints. Small shop owners report doubling their effective workspace by mobilizing equipment. The transformation from cramped chaos to organized efficiency happens immediately. Your back will thank you. Your workflow will accelerate. These are flying off shelves. Alien Self-Centering Dowel Guide. The Alien Self-Centering Guide eliminates alignment guesswork completely. Its automatic centering mechanism works across wide material ranges, while the built-in measuring scale ensures consistent positioning from piece to piece. The wide clamping span accommodates large furniture components that other jigs simply cannot handle. What's revolutionary is how this prevents material waste. From drilling errors, every hole perfectly centered, every connection rock solid. Premium furniture makers trust this for high-end projects where precision is non-negotiable. One tool, professional results forever. Stock levels dropping fast on these precision instruments right now. Ezzerk 15-piece drill bit and countersink set. This Ezzerk set solves the eternal problem of visible screw heads ruining beautiful projects. The HSS drill bits create perfect pilot holes while included countersinks ensure screws sit flush or below the surface for wood plug concealment. Adjustable depth stops guarantee consistent results across hundreds of fasteners critical. For professional-looking furniture, the complete collection handles various screw sizes without buying multiple sets. Craftsmen report this transforming amateur assemblies into showroom-quality pieces. Clean, hidden fastener separate hobbyist work from expert craftsmanship. Everything you need in one comprehensive package. Limited time pricing active. Multi-angle drill guide. Angled drilling just became foolproof with this multi-angle guide system. Preset 30, 45, and 90-degree guides eliminate protractor calculations and eyeballing that create crooked holes. Included drill bits match the bushing sizes perfectly, and the compact design travels easily between job sites. Staircase builders, railing installers, and furniture makers rely on this for consistent angular accuracy. What's remarkable is the time savings, no more test drilling or wasted materials from incorrect angles. One tool handles every common drilling angle with absolute precision. These are selling out fast across major retailers currently. Ezzerk Countersink Drill Bit Set. Flush screw installation becomes automatic with this Ezzerk Countersink collection. Adjustable depth control ensures every fastener sits perfectly level with the surface, creating that seamless professional finish clients expect. Multiple bit sizes accommodate everything from delicate trim work to structural joints. while the quick change design maintains workflow speed. Over 10,000 woodworkers rate this as their go-to for visible fastener work. The difference between amateur and expert assembly often comes down to fastener presentation. This guarantees perfection every time. Complete set, lifetime of flawless results. Current stock moving incredibly fast. Minova 10 inches folding insulation saw. Insulation cutting just became clean and effortless with this Minova folding saw. The wave tooth blade slices through foam board and fiberglass without the mess traditional tools create, while the folding safety design protects the blade and your gear during transport. Ergonomic handle reduces hand fatigue during full-day installations. Energy efficiency contractors and DIY renovators praise how this accelerates what's typically a frustrating, messy task. The compact storage means it's always accessible when insulation work appears. Winter energy bills are driving renovation demand. Get this before the seasonal rush creates shortages. Incredible value for specialized work.